Okay, so this is where we left off part one. We want to make this slide so that we can see our text here, which at the moment obviously we can't. So there's a few ways to do it. There is a way with PowerPoint, which I'll show you in another slide, in another presentation. But to do it quickly with PowerPoint, what I'm going to do is just to add a shape. I'm just going to take this off for a minute, and I'm going to insert a shape, just a rectangular shape, put it over the top like that, and now I'm going to make it transparent. So I'm just going to right click and format the shape with this little one here and the fill. Line doesn't come into it. Okay, so with my transparency, if I move that a little bit, I can sort of change the transparency of that blue rectangle. Now I might leave it as blue because a lot of the image is blue, and if you can match that up, it makes it a little bit better, I think. You could make it white, you could make it black. Black would probably work okay. I'm just going to try 50% transparency. I'm just going to put my text back, and straight away you can see that that works pretty well. Okay, so I can put whatever text on here now and I can see it. Okay, I can put images and text on there, and with that little mask I can see it. If you're not sure that it's right, you can go back and you can make it less transparent, more transparent, okay, and that's up to you. But that little trick will get you through. Maybe I'll leave that at about 40%, just thinking it's about right. Okay, I can still see my image, I can still see my text, and it's going to work.